No, no next day off. How come? How come that? 3, 4, 3 a.m. already, Jan. Go sleep. I stay up before I go back to work. No need to stay up. Just stay down. Oy, Leon, check your banana. And you do, I think almost done. Stay up. I stay up after my work. Do you stay down? Do you can sleep? If you stay up, cannot sleep. Banana, you like it banana? Why you never stay upstairs have? I eat egg already, eggs. Sa Leon, sleep na guys. I sleepy, you know? No, my boss, I want to sleep. Later going grandma house working because if I sleep, I got to wake up. So you mean you don't sleep then direct go to work? How, how come you have energy? I got to wake up for... Huh? You're not a robot. Why you're not feel tired? Celian, Joyce. Ah, no lah. You like gaming, then your body is not healthy. Only play games. Oh my God. That's why you know one of my friend also same you. Now no live 2 weeks ago. You know why? She doing live, long live, you know, because gaming. 2 weeks already she never do live. Maybe she's sick. I don't know how many hours she sleep. Only play games. Ala, because her games is ala join the games. I'm here. Really? No, I'm sleepy, you know. I get 8 hours. I get I get 4 hours. I sleep sometimes 2 o'clock. Yeah. I how many minutes I need to nap a bit? I sleep sitting down, you know, pillow. Oh, pillow. So I lean my back, then I close my eyes. This is my room. You don't know. Si Leon, thank you, si Leon. Ay. Later go to working. What you think yun? Akong singing. Singing, wearing nice clothes, then nag-dramatic video, then send to the friend. Ako.